First of all, let me say thank you to you all. Actually, the film is called A Scandal. So I'm sure there will be a lot of scandals revealing in the film. Uh, uh, as soon as the trailer is out, you can see a lot of anxiety among the people, and things are going pretty good. It's about a family in Nainital whose 9-year-old daughter drowns in water and she dies. And after a few days, father can see her again. So, in this process, when the whole family and their further relatives come to Nainital to visit that, there are a lot of things which are being revealed in that thing. I play a young filmmaking student who's just out of his school, and he's quite keen and quite interested to, to do something different, to do a nice film. So he sees this family opportunity and he takes upon this opportunity. He's very self-centered. He's very mean. He's to the point. He's blunt. He's bad, but he gets his work done. And I play opposite her. She plays Koya. I play her boyfriend, whose family is being affected. So that's how I reach there. And what all happens is the crux of the film.
Can you describe the character?
Yeah, I play Koya. Koya is a girl who's got layered secrets around her. And this film revolves around her family's tragedy basically, and how these people, they come to film the tragedy and it gets scandalous. So, it's about that.
Basically, this both of your debut film in
Yes.
Bollywood. How was the experience working together?
It was an interesting journey because the film is shaped out very nice. It has an intriguing concept. It was a good journey because usually we think of making a debut with romantic, love stories, and this isn't a love story. And yeah, it was a different experience altogether. I think you guys are gonna like us.
Does it think afraid of most of the actor or actress choose their career as a love story or some action film while you're choosing some other different genre? Does it afraid of how will your journey evolve in Bollywood?
To be honest, no, it doesn't make me feel like that. I'm not afraid of it because I think I'm an actor and I'll do different kind of roles. So once you watch the film on the 24th of June, you'll get to know there's much more than just romance that you want to see, and it has a story. I'm sure the industry fraternity will accept me into many other roles.
Let me answer this question first. Starting with not a love story and starting with something a different genre. That was actually the whole idea which excited me more. That was actually the thing of like, let's break the norms and let's do something different. The story is brilliant. It's about desires of people. Which desires leads to everything, which includes all the good and bad things, from sex to incest to murder mystery. It is all those commercial elements which are supposed to be in a feature film, but not a romantic film. So we were like, why not? Let's accept this film because the audience loves and they are looking at new concepts. They always need a change, and this is the pulse which we thought. And now after looking at the first, the first preview of the full film when it's ready, we are very happy with what we have chosen. So yes, I'm sure you all will be quite scandalous on 24th of June when it will hit the theatres. And coming back to working with her was a very good experience. It was the whole team has been quite nice. It was more like a fun on the shoot. We were experimenting, we were doing different things. It was exciting. It was hot. It was the way it is supposed to be. So it was good fun. Yeah.
Does your brother Raman Maharaj help you while choosing a script or?
See, no, not exactly. See, I guess everyone we are quite wise and mature enough to take our own calls and own scripts. And looking at this script, it was purely my call of going with this script. I guess you have to go with your gut instinct rather than asking everyone. So I connected with the script very well. I connected with the whole cast and crew, with the director very well. So we took a call. Yeah.
Also, here you both have done some Bollywood films also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about it?
We've done an English feature film. It's called Sven. That's an abbreviation of Southwest East North. It had a lot of international cast and crew. We shot in various parts, and it did very well internationally. That is how we got in touch with the other side of the international film festivals, where we were accepted very widely and nicely, and we realized that how many more and what different concepts we can play with. I guess that is the point when we took a call of like, let's do something different. That's how this whole thing of doing a different project.
It's a very different. A Scandal is a very different genre film. You know, usually when we call it a film, oh, is it a romantic film? Is it a thriller? Is it horror? You know, we kind of categorize it. But I think in real life, you and me, we face everything in one life. So we can have different genres playing in our life, not dividing it or not thinking that, oh, okay, this can only be my life. So I think the best part about doing a Scandal is this: it has got a mixture of reality, it's been shot differently, and it is extremely intriguing. And about the film that we did before, Swain, it was mostly catering the festival genre. And yeah, like Johnny said, like it kind of brought back the feeling that, because we're working together in the second film, and that, we can do something good here in India as well. So yeah, it happened like that.
As an actress, how was the journey of Scandal for you? Was it challenging or easy?
Oh, it was very challenging. It is still challenging because I keep watching the reviews, and I keep reading the love and the hates that I'm getting, and I think definitely it's very challenging because what really surprises me is we just kind of typecast, we in India we take sex as a very not to do thing, and I think
Very offensive.
I mean, is it? I don't think so.
We have a large population. Why is it offensive?
And you watch things the most, and then you say, oh, it's bad. So it's not like that. So yeah, it was very surprising. It is absolutely challenging, and I'm waiting for the day to come when people will actually see me act in this film and see what exactly it is all about, because there is much more than sex in everyone's life, and you should come and watch it.
Does doing a scene, intimate scene on screen, does it make you conscious or afraid or some scariness?
It's damn funny actually, when you actually do an intimate scene, it's really funny because there's so many people around, you don't even feel like, never scared. I'm never scared because you cannot have inhibitions when you're doing something, when you're performing. If you have inhibitions, it looks vulgar. So, and because I come from the festival film background, I do not keep inhibitions because I am just playing a role. About being conscious or afraid, not at all, because I am playing a part. If I'm killing someone in the film, I don't become a killer, right? I'm not really killing the person. So if I am kissing someone, doesn't mean I'm really kissing him. I'm just doing it for the role or the part that I'm playing then. So, and it's really funny because there has been times when actually we are playing an intimate part, and it's like everyone around, and we kind of make jokes out of it, and it's nothing serious. Trust me.
We laugh, and we the whole idea after the scene is, oh, let's check the monitor, how's the shot, rather than, oh, I had a good time, or did you had a good time? No,
trust me, you never have a good time kissing your co-actor on camera. No.
Yeah.
It's just the part.
See, Scandal, a film, a Scandal is more about क्या चाहिए आपको फिल्म में. You have story, you have sex, you have incest, you have murder mystery, you have paranormal elements, you have amazing songs, and you have a story which is based on a true incident.
Yeah.
That is where the director adapted it, and when you make something on true incidents, you know that you are on a thin line because you are adapting it, and the way he is adapted is beautiful. So एक कहानी में जब सब कुछ मिल जाता है, तो it's like a package.
Like I mentioned, in your life, you don't really play one role, you play many roles. So in Scandal, you'll see people playing many roles.
So do you think after the Scandal, you both can get the famous as an actor and actress, popular actor?
See, I guess it is, we are quite confident. It's nothing that we don't have confidence in that. First of all, your confidence comes when your first look comes out in the audience. The trailer has been accepted widely. It has touched 1 million. It is now about to touch 2 million. and it's all organic. The way it is growing, the way we are getting appreciation. So that is the first thing which has given us more confidence. The first song is out. Again, it has been appreciated from the music company, from the film fraternity, from people who are not from fraternity. So that gives you another boost. We'll be coming out with the next song in the next 2 days. And trust me, it's going to burn the screen. That's our challenge.
That's his verdict.
Yeah, that's for sure. And regarding being established as an actor, I guess very much we are quite confident. And when audience will see the film, you know, now the dialogue promos and everything is started on television, you will see a brilliant storyline. You would want to know more. You would want to know about each and every character more. When you want to know more and when you connect with them, that is where you feel that yes. And at the end of the day, a film should work as a totality. You know, that is when every character, and it works as a totality when every character has done the justice. Rather than I'll say that, okay, I have done good role, or she's done good role, or he's done, no.
I think everyone has done it.
Everyone is being like phenomenal in the film. They've done good role, and when everyone has done good role and film works in totality, it works for everyone. So the whole idea of is that it should work for everyone. You know, it's not here. I'm not being Vidu and being mean. Here I'm being that it will work for everyone. That we are quite confident.
And what about you? Can this film create a benchmark for you in Bollywood?
I definitely think so.
She's already burning the screen. She's been getting a lot of messages. She's already being the next
you keeping
sensation
it
about. There are messages everywhere on the wall and everywhere you can see that. So she's already being talked about the next hot sensation. So yeah, I'm trying to also, you know, keep up to her.
He's saying it out. Okay. I think the question that you asked about being famous, and that's very subjective, because I as a person, I feel you have to be very content about what you're doing, and whatever was given to me and whatever I could give back, I'm very happy with it. I'll try to be better with every other film, and I think it is going to create a benchmark for me, because when people watch the film, they will see what Reed is as an actor, and if you come to the theatres, it definitely will create something else.
Why most of the actors, especially actors, are afraid of doing an intimate or a bold scene on screen? What's your take on it?
It takes a lot to do a bold scene. Actually, it is not a cakewalk at all. It takes a lot. It is not easy to carry yourself when you call it bold, because there are inhibitions, and then you get categorized. So that is, I think, one reason, and also our society. The moment you do something which is bold, you become something else. You've been tagged, which I totally do not like, because you watch films and you are inspired by films made in the West. You watch films, European films, you watch films from Hollywood, and you like them. You want to be like them, but when it comes to yourself, you just become too hypocrite. I mean,
Yeah, like
it's very odd.
We protest, 50 Shades of Grey not coming to India, and we are after census. And then everyone's like, why is it not coming to India? And when we try to make a bold film, and then we like, oh my god, why? Haven't anyone or most of the people have seen 50 Shades of Grey? They have. So when we do something here and we do aesthetically, we do nicely, what is the problem?
India has a history, a bigger history about even the sexual content. I think that the historical places are there. I mean, see, you have to make it look normal and natural. That is very important. You have to, about a film, if I come back to the film, you have to shoot it nicely. It has to look nice. If you shoot it in a dirty way, it will look dirty. Now again, what is dirty and what is not dirty is again subjective. To me, something is beautiful, to you it may be dirty. But I think audience should open up their minds. You should not watch a film thinking about just to critically analyze it, because every movie has a story, and we should come and watch a film as a story, but just not judging it from the very beginning. Oh, I think it's going to be like this, and I think it's going to be like that. Come on, when you read a novel, you should not start predicting the future of it. You should just read it like a story. So
it's like, come on यार, एक फिल्म बनाइए, एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाइए, आइए देखिए, मज़ा करिए, you get your value for money. एक कहानी है, it can take any turn. So there are a lot of turns in the film. let's not be subjective. Let's enjoy it, and trust me, people will enjoy it and they will get very thrilled.
Does doing the such challenges role, implement of challenges role on screen, does it increase the blood in your veins?
See, no, not exactly. See, it's like you are already preparing for your role. You do a lot of pre-production, you do a lot of rehearsals, you do a lot of many things. So you are geared up to do what you have to do. Definitely, that moment of that scene, it brings you, and you are in that zone. If it's a very thrilling scene, or if it's a hard-hitting scene, or if it's a sexual scene, or even if it is a brutal scene. So definitely you have to reach to that level to do the justice to the character. So somewhere down the line you have to forget who you are. Somewhere down the line you have to play with what you have been playing in the film. So if my character Vidu, who is actually very bold character, who is actually very point blank, who is actually very लोग देख के जैसे बोलेंगे यार ऐसे लड़कों से दूर रहो, but who's just it's the outlook. Later people will start saying that actually यार वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा था लेकिन वो सच्चा था. That is kind of character he is. So because playing that baddie character, you have to push to that level. So definitely थोड़ा सा वो reaching that blood in your veins, you have to do that push.
Also a film has a tagline, everyone has a wife.
Definitely.
What does it stand for?
Like we all have scandals, right? You must be having some, he must be having some, I must be having some. Just that they don't come out in open, and we keep them as a secret. So it means a scandal, everyone has one.
कोई ऐसी शख्सियत या कोई ऐसा इंसान नहीं होगा जिसकी ज़िंदगी में कोई ऐसे छुपे राज नहीं होंगे.
And the person will be very boring if you don't have any secrets.
है ना? Even it is anyone, even in our country, every day a new scandal comes out. So you, me, her, everyone, किसी ना कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा रहता है. There is one thing जो हमेशा सबसे छुपा के रखते हैं, which only our heart knows. Here we are talking about those desires which come out, and when they come out, तो क्या घमासान मचता है कि क्या how everything goes, how the world topples upside down. That is what a scandal is all about.
Also, we are very well producer of the film.
Yeah.
So what do you accept from the audience? What should audience will learn? What should audience will learn from watching a film?
देखिए, this film also, as I was talking about the desires and talking about a certain issue also in the society which has never been discussed that way, is the point of incest and all, which happens. In our film we have also not glorified it. हमने उसे कोई बड़ा चढ़ा के नहीं बताया है, हमने उसकी we have been against it only. So one thing is definitely there, that these things should be stopped at an early age or being taken care of. And with the audience, I know that I am giving them entertainment. I am giving them the 2 hours of thrill. I am giving them 2 hours sitting on their seat of, like, they don't even want to go to a loo break. That is what I am giving the audience. That you have paid for it, I want to give you double back.
He's the edgy producer. He wants to give people the edge.
So, yeah.
Do you watch erotic film in your personal life?
Why not? Yes, everyone does. And if someone says no, then they hide and watch.
I wouldn't say I particularly go and watch erotic films, like if you're talking about really erotic films, but I watch all kind of cinema. If you're talking about cinema, yes, all kind of cinema. So, not one sides,
And also erotica can be a part of a subject. Something can be beautifully shot, you fall in love with it. Something can be kinky, something can be in any zone. You just fall in love with certain parts.
If it has a story, yes, of course, why not?
Okay, what matters most for you? Is it critically acclaimed or commercial success?
Both.
Definitely both. Critically तो अच्छा होगा ही, जैसी फिल्म शेप अप हुई है. And now we are waiting for the commercial success on 24th.
It's very important to have commercial success, because see, if you are a commercially successful actor, or if you come from a film which is commercially successful, you get to do different kind of cinema, and I don't believe in the fact that parallel cinema and commercial cinema. See, it is cinema and commercial success. That part means like it should do business. So obviously, as a part of this film, and I think every film should do its due business.
It's a lot of hard work यार for
Lot of
everyone,
hard.
the whole team. So एक पैसा डाला है तो एक तो वापस आना चाहिए. So that is very important. Commercial success तो बहुत ज़रूरी है ही, because then only we can always keep on making films for the audience. है ना? And critically इसलिए because we have played with a beautiful storyline. तो हमें पता है कि हम कहाँ पे खड़े, we know where we are standing. दोनों ही मिलेंगे यार. Pray for us.
Yeah, definitely need to pray for us.
Shrita, you have been about any project or anything?
Yeah, I'm doing a film which is an adaptation of Othello. I'm playing Desdemona in it. He's a national award-winning director from the south, so I'm looking forward to that film. And I also have a Bengali film releasing. That's a science fiction, first time made in Bengali cinema. So I play a raw agent, and they're not erotic or old.
Sir, about you?
Yes, I have signed another international project. It's called Casate Conmigo. That's directed by a director called Miguel Mas. He's from New York. It means marry me. It's in Spanish and in English. So I have signed that project. It's supposed to be go on floors by August end. That's one I'm doing internationally, and for Hindi film industry, waiting for this film to come out. People should see us. People should see us perform, and then only I guess it will be opening the doors for people to accept us widely. Yeah.
Last question. What would you like to tell to audience regarding the film?
24th of June, a scandal. We're going to reveal a lot of scandals in the coming week also, which has started on our Facebook page from today, and also the trailers, everything has started on television. So 24th of June, be there at the theatre, get scandalized, and trust me, you will come back happily. Be there.
Yeah.
Have you anything?
Yeah, do come and watch us, watch our film, A Scandal. Get scandalous. We need your love, prayers, blessings, everything. And get a little bolder, man.
And be prepared. Film is very hot. Trust me.
Thank you.
Thank you.